Mutineneri omonene bw'eyabisi ya orosagia ya EACC gose yabisi eria y'okurigereria embwa na gotanga obukurumi ase orosagia rwa Nyanza ya Irianyi gose South Nyanza nigo ritko ria rero aenekire muna abaobisa b'ekiombe ekio nigo gose korwa ase chiabisi yao nigo baika ase chiabisi ao ime ye county ya Nyamira ase obotuki bugenderete igoro y'obukurumi gokwana n'abarike mang'ana saiga omoske Ignatius wakesa igane kibuna mbanyora ebinto ao birakonye obotuki obo bugenderete gose obo bore mamincha y'omugabana we county ya Nyamira na twakoreranire roboti oro.
My name is Mr. Ignatius Wekesa. I'm the Regional Manager of Ethics and Corruption Commission, South Nyanza region, which covers 4 counties, that is Kisii, Nyamira, Migori, and Homa Bay. I want to state that today, as the Commission, we have effected more than 5 court warrants, search warrants, against the governor of Nyamira, Honorable Amos Nyaribo, and 4 other senior officers from the same county. This is in furtherance to the ongoing various investigations concerning that particular county of Nyamira, and I can say that it has been a successful day because we have been able to recover a lot of valuable and critical documents and investigations which are going to assist us to ensure that we fill all the gaps that we have that are existing in the current investigations. As you are aware, as EACC, once we are through with the investigation, we will write a report to the Director of Public Prosecutions for purposes of seeking consent or concurrence with whatever recommendation that we will have put in that particular file. And therefore, for now, I can only say that we will continue and expedite the investigations that are ongoing. I know there are several. Some are at the tail end, others are at the advanced stages. And therefore, that is the status of the investigation and the statement from Ethics and Corruption Commission at this particular regional office.